Welcome! If you want to let your friends see your activity on Roblox, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the setting that lets your friends stay updated on your in-game activity. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account before you begin. Step 2. Once you're inside the app, look for the three dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings. This will open up the settings page where you can adjust various preferences for your account. Step 4. Next, tap on Privacy. This section is where you can control who sees your activity, who can message you, and who can interact with you. Step 5. Scroll down to the Other Settings section. There, you'll find an option called Update Friend About My Activity. Simply select Yes to allow your friends to see your activity on Roblox. And that's it. You've now allowed your friends to see when you're playing games or making updates to your profile. This is a great way to stay connected with your friends and let them know what you're up to in the Roblox world. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow the same steps and select No to keep your activity private. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.